I'm feeling overwhelmed, nah lie. Him deserve this. Roast the boss, sick and all of them something there. Oh God, man, I feel it for him, man. Him deserve this, man. See how me a bleach and I sun, me there, no bleachers not going in a sun. And I can't tell me there in the sun today right now. Vice Kartel do this. Make me there in the sun. One Adisha Palmer. Hear that danger talking.
I'm feeling great. See, I'm dancing. From the guys that was alive over there. Big up Kartel. I don't know Tash ever blessed from England. I represent here. I'm there up on the ground right now.
So you traveled all the way for the verdict?
Yes, I did.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. And I mean, he's something big in the UK. We love him over there, and we need to see him soon in concert.
After so long,
After so long,
you think he can have the same impact that he left with?
he will have even a bigger impact after today.
What would you like to say to him if you see us today?
I just like to say, Kartel, I don't know, I can't wait to see you. Big up yourself, life over death.
Time come, a PNP time, time come. Look at the world boss.
How are you feeling? How are you trying?
Good